I'm Dr. Joseph Kummer. I'm one of the cardiologists here at Bryan Heart. I was born and raised in Omaha, and I went to Creighton Prep High School. I did my medical training at the University of Nebraskan Medical Center and my subsequent training for internal medicine and cardiology in Chicago and Detroit. I'm a diagnostic cardiologist, so I do things like heart catheterizations to take a look at arteries to see if there's any blockages. I do a lot of clinical work, so I'll see patients in the clinical setting. I spend a lot of time in the hospital treating patients that come in with various types of rhythm disorders, heart failure, chest pain, heart attacks, and so forth. I think the best part of cardiology is that you can see a patient who truly has a very clear problem, truly ask you to help them, and we have an amazing amount of things in cardiology we can do in terms of medications, in terms of procedures. I think that's very, very rewarding when you see somebody with an issue, they bring it to you and you're able to solve that for them. I remember one time I was at the Veterans Affairs Hospital and a relatively younger gentleman came in with chest pain, and there was a very tight lesion in one of his arteries that was on the verge of a massive heart attack. We were able to put a balloon in the artery, open it up right away, and the next day, next hour, he felt remarkably better. And then I realized that's something I really could personally enjoy. Probably the most exciting thing about cardiology in the present and in the future is that there's always new things coming out. Bryan Heart's been known for heart for many years as a center of excellence in the community and the state where people can come and truly have the best quality cardiology care. Every experience that you have in terms of treating a patient is a learning experience that shows you a new way of treating heart disease. Bryan's kind of been the place to go to for heart care for many decades. Personally, I wanted to be able to do everything I was trained to do, and Bryan has such a wide variety of things that they offer in terms of heart care. That's opened up a lot of opportunities as far as new advancements that we can do for patients. That's really been recognized locally as well as nationally. And that's really allowed us to get a lot of brand new treatments available to patients out very quickly as soon as they're available. What really drew me to come work at Bryan Heart in the first place was the people here. Part of that means that we're known for excellence in heart care, but we also believe that we treat people with our hearts. Anybody can do the scientific aspect of putting people on medications and checking their blood pressure, but what really distinguishes Bryan Heart is the fact that we care a great deal about the patients personally.